The most unexpected moments caught on doorbell camera. CCTV footage captured an unfamiliar car stopping in front of a man's house when something unexpected happened. The woman was caught on camera attempting to steal a package from the homeowner. However, the homeowner had anticipated this. The package turned out to be fake, intended to scare off the porch pirate. The woman was startled and forced to flee. The following footage captured a woman rushing to the porch and picking up the package. The porch pirate quickly rushed the package to the car when an unexpected event occurred. As she ran to the car, the woman tripped and fell onto the street.